What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT that I'm keeping my eye on, and I think they have decent potential to keep or flip. But before I'm going to show you the projects, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor, this is not a financial advice, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into any NFT project. So first project, it's called Degen Dudes NFT free mint, so it's coming soon. At the time of recording this video, they only have 4,500 followers on Twitter, and they have a pre-mint link. You can register and hopefully you can get yourself a whitelist spot. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent interaction on their Twitter posts. They're not too hyped because they don't have that many followers yet, but maybe it's a good thing because I think you have better chance to get a whitelist spot for this project. So this is one of them that I'm keeping my eye on. The second one, it's called the Lemonade Stand NFT free mint. At the time of recording this video, they have 2,300 followers and they joined Twitter in September. So this is fairly new project. They also have a pre-mint link right here. You can register for whitelist spot raffle, and then they also have a website. So basically this project is like some kids run lemonade stands, but not this Degen family. So instead of doing lemonade stands, this is entire family. What they do, as you can see right here, looks like this is 3-kid family, and they're working on creating digital art that they're gonna turn into NFT. So it's gonna be free mint. Instead of selling lemonade, they decided to create NFT art, and as you can see, they're collabing with the different projects and alpha groups like this one, A+, that's one of them. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this is most likely what the art is gonna look like. And since they're not very hyped, I think it's not so hard to get a whitelist spot for this project. And the last project, it's called Avatizer NFT on-chain dynamic art, and as you can see, it's also free mint. At the time of recording this video, they have 35,000 followers and limited supply, only 999, low supply, daily changing PFPs, algorithmic art, 100% on chain, and a strong docs team. And as you can see right here, this is what most likely the art is gonna look like. Probably there's gonna be many more different options, and it's going to be changing on daily basis. At least that's what they're saying right here. They also have a registration premium link, so you can register and hopefully can get yourself a whitelist spot. And as you can see, this was posted a little over a month ago, but it's getting a lot of interaction. Like for example, 22,000 likes and 21,000 retweets. And then they're also partnering with a different alpha NFT groups, like for example Amir Alpha, this is Dark Echelon. And then if we scroll down more, as you can see, more giveaway whitelist spots, and then Band Boy, and then Dante Walker, he's with DWC Alpha Group. And then if we scroll down, also Ryan D Crypto was also promoting this one. So this NFT project been collabing with the most hype alpha groups in NFT space. So I'm very bullish on this project. This is going to be either cool PFP to keep, or if you would like to flip, I think you can make decent money if you can get yourself a whitelist spot and then sell it. And once again, it's very hard to predict how NFTs projects gonna do. Even some hype free mint NFTs are not doing so well in this bear market. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. And if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.